Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about bell peppers, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with bell peppers. So if you're looking for some meal or recipe or menu ideas, something different to do with bell peppers, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category that also includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, there's beans in general, but especially black beans, fava, and red beans, beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, ham, lentils, pine nuts, pork, sausage, seafood in general, sesame seeds, snow peas, tahini, tempeh, tofu, tuna, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables that go well with bell peppers, there's artichokes, arugula, asparagus, bok choy, broccoli, broccoli rabe, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, chard, chilies, chives, cucumbers, eggplant, fennel, garlic, ginger, greens as in salad greens, jicama, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, shallots, squash as in summer squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes. Now there are all types of tomato products, and this includes fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, tomato sauce, and sun-dried tomatoes. Vegetables of all sorts, summer vegetables in particular, and zucchini. In the way of fruits that go well with bell peppers, there's lemons, limes, mangoes, olives, peaches, pears, pineapples, and raisins. In the way of grains and grain products, there is barley, bread, bulgur, corn, cornbread, grains of all sorts, in particular whole grains, millet, noodles, in particular Asian noodles, pasta, polenta, quinoa, rice, especially brown rice and wild rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's cheese, especially cheddar cheese, feta, goat, mozzarella, parmesan, provolone, and soft cheese, coconut milk, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's honey, miso, oil, especially canola, corn, olive, peanut, and sesame oils, pomegranate molasses, stock of any type, vinegar, especially balsamic, red wine vinegar, and sherry vinegars, and wine, especially dry red wine and white wine. Well, I do hope this helps. Bye for now.